Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to salvage items in Vrising. So in order to do that, first of all you need to get the blood altar. So simply get it through the quests line and then acquire blood altar, build it and walk close to it, press F and find Lydia the Chaos Archer. Right here it's level 26 boss. Click track blood and that way you'll be able to track her blood essence. And now simply follow the mist from where it's coming from, but keep in mind that I can't tell you her exact location because she's just roaming around the Farbane woods. She can be actually anywhere, so you need to track her with this blood essence. After actually defeating her, you'll unlock few skills, and along with the skills you also get this chest, which is right here. Let me find it. It's right here, and sorry, it took some time, but you can find it in production, and it's the Devourer. It's this chest right here. So I already built it, but you need 12 planks and 6 ingots. After that, you've built it, hold F or press F when you close next to it, and put any item that can be salvaged. That way it will start salvaging. It takes some time to do it. After that you'll receive some items from a salvage, and you can salvage fish or any items that you can find and you don't need. So that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave a like and a comment below.